Sunday Strategy Digest, the month in review. Cosmic Algorithm Ltd and Backseat Trader. Updated 19th of July, 2026. This update reviews the latest strategy performance, the recent portfolio pullback, current Nasdaq 100 market conditions, and the outlook for the months ahead. Performance update. The strategy remains materially ahead since inception in October 2022. The latest dashboard reports an annualized growth rate of approximately 24.8%, a live gain of about 94.9%, and a trade execution net asset value increase of approximately 101.5%. The one-year comparison also remains favorable. Cosmic Algorithm Ltd is showing approximately 47.8%, compared with about 23.9% for the Nasdaq 100 benchmark. This reflects strong participation in technology leadership, but it does not imply a smooth or guaranteed return path. Trade execution and portfolio rotation. The strategy continues to rank Nasdaq stocks using multi-horizon momentum signals and to rebalance monthly into the strongest qualifying names. The process is systematic rather than discretionary. Weaker relative strength positions leave the portfolio, while stronger candidates enter according to the model. Recent exposure has remained concentrated in semiconductors, memory, storage, chip equipment, cybersecurity, and artificial intelligence infrastructure. This supported the strong advance into June, but it also increased sensitivity when investors reduced exposure to the same leadership cluster. Portfolio pullback. The latest period has included a meaningful pullback from the portfolio's recent high. That reversal followed an exceptionally strong June and should be viewed in the context of a momentum portfolio carrying substantial exposure to technology and semiconductor leadership. The pullback does not, by itself, indicate that the process has failed. It demonstrates the trade-off inherent in concentrated market leadership. Strong upside can be followed by abrupt profit-taking. The relevant test is whether the monthly ranking and rebalancing process continues to respond as relative strength changes. Assets under copy and equity. The dashboard continues to show meaningful growth in external participation and account equity. Assets under copy increased from approximately $115,843 to $130,640. Equity rose from about $18,363 to $22,180 in the latest reported period. This supports the objective of building a transparent, evidence-led investor proposition. Growth in copied assets also increases the importance of clear risk communication and disciplined execution. Nasdaq 100 market context. The Nasdaq and semiconductor complex have recently experienced renewed selling pressure as investors questioned whether the pace of artificial intelligence-related capital spending can justify elevated valuations. Chip stocks have been especially volatile, with profit-taking spreading across memory, equipment, and infrastructure names after their earlier gains. The market has also been balancing a demanding earnings outlook, uncertainty around interest rates, and renewed geopolitical pressure on energy prices. These factors can amplify short-term volatility even when longer-term investment themes remain intact. Outlook for the months ahead. The opportunity set remains strongest around artificial intelligence infrastructure, data centers, semiconductors, memory, storage, and cybersecurity. The key question is whether earnings and cash flow delivery can keep pace with expectations already reflected in prices. The coming months are likely to remain uneven. Strong earnings could restore confidence quickly, while weaker guidance, slower artificial intelligence spending, or higher for longer interest rates could produce further sharp rotations. The strategy will continue to follow its ranking process rather than predict which scenario occurs. Current example holdings. Current example holdings include Applied Materials, Palo Alto Networks, KLA Corporation, NVIDIA, and Lam Research. These are examples only, not recommendations. Positions may change as the model updates. Key takeaway. The latest update reinforces the value of process over prediction. Strong compounding, higher participation, and a recent pullback can all exist within the same systematic framework. The objective remains to maintain disciplined exposure to market leadership, rebalance when relative strength changes, and manage risk consistently through advances and corrections. Further information about the strategy, methodology, and supporting market analysis is available through Backseat Trader. Previous audio-visual updates are available in the Strategy Commentary archive and on the Backseat Trader YouTube channel. Risk warning. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This content is provided for information and transparency only and does not constitute investment advice. Investing involves risk, including possible loss of capital.